Assalamualaikum. Welcome to Ramlah's kitchen. I Ramlah would like to thank all of you all for supporting me. Since Deepavali is very near, so I'm going to do some Deepavali sweets. I'm going to teach you all how to do some Deepavali sweets. Okay? Come, let's go. First sweet is how to do Muruku, Achu Muruku. The first sweet is Achu Muruku. Now Achu Muruku, I bought this flour. So now I'm going to teach you all how to do Achu Muruku. Okay? Now I have one packet Achu Muruku flour. Okay, I'm going to see how many cups. Put here. One. Now we can buy this type of ready-made flour. No need to grind. All is easy, but you can just add in some ingredients. Then that's enough. We can already do. Okay, now I'm doing a small quantity. Okay, now I have 3 cups of this Achu Muruku, and then I am going to put 1 cup of this super fine flour. Okay, just 1 small cup of this super fine flour. Okay, then I am going to put in some sesame seeds. You can put in some sesame seeds. Say 1, 2, 3. Okay, you can put some sesame seeds. Then I like to put some milk powder. I'm putting in a little bit of this milk powder. A little bit. You can put like 1 spoon. Okay, or 2 spoons of milk powder. Okay. Now, regarding the sugar, I think they have already mixed the sugar inside, but if you want a bit sweet, later we can test and see. Okay, now I have already mixed this. Now I have to use 1 egg. Okay, this egg I'm going to beat this egg. Now I have 1 egg and I'm going to beat this egg. Okay. Okay, now I pour this egg inside. Now we have to mix it with the santan. So how are we going to mix? We have to use, I have thick santan here and I'm going to pour little by little. Okay, you have to mix it like how you are mixing the thosai flour. So you cannot mix it watery, mix it a bit thick. Okay. You must go like how you are mixing the thosai flour. You have to mix it nicely. Then you have to use. Okay. Ready-made flour. This flour has sugar inside. So if it's not enough sugar, then we add a bit extra sugar. Okay. Now put it. Okay. Now it's just like the thosai flour. Let me taste and see whether got sugar or not. Yeah, sugar is enough. If those want sweet, you all can add in extra sugar. Still the flour is a bit thick. We have to add in some more santan. Okay, now you can see the flour is like this. Okay, okay, it's like the thosai flour. Okay, okay, you can see the flour is like that. Okay, now we have already mixed the flour. Now we are going to do the Kuih Ros. How are we going to do? We have to pour oil. Wait, I'm going to pour oil in the quali. sugar you all can add if you all want, because this is a ready-made flour and the sugar is inside. Okay, now I am pouring 1 packet oil. I am pouring 2 packets of oil because this achuan need to go into the oil. Okay, so I am pouring 2 packets of oil. Bye. So now I have to light the fire. To do this, we have to put the achuan inside the oil, because when the achuan is hot, then only the muruku will come out. So now this Achu Muruku, they have already put Tepung brass, sugar and the cardamom powder. So if you are doing it separate, then you have to take rice flour, then you can take this tepung gandum, sugar and the cardamom. But this one, since ready-made, is easy for us now, not like those days. So we don't have to put the cardamom powder. Everything is inside. Okay, now I'm going to do. So how the muruku coming out? So must not see, it must come out by itself. But I would like to tell you all, before doing this, you all must soak this achuan in the oil for at least 1 week. If you all put for 1 week, then the one will come out nicely. Son, I soaked this for 1 week. That's why you see the one coming out well. This achuan must soak in the oil for 1 week. Okay, you see how the so how this is Kuih Ros. Okay, the fire must be slow. You all have to put the fire slow. Don't put the fire fast. Okay, now when it is this color, you all can take out. Okay, okay, see how this is Achu Muruku. You have to turn it a bit, turn it, let it cook, let it be a bit brown. I just took 1 packet. So okay, see, it must come out like that. Okay, now see. So I only so I can do it. Okay, now I think you all have seen me doing the Achu Muruku. This is the first sweet. I hope you all will try and give me your feedback, and also don't forget to press the bell icon. The next one is I'm going to do Muruku. I'll show you all how to do Muruku. Now you all be thinking that why I use this ready-made flour. Actually, those days when we use, we have to grind the rice, take the rice, go to the mill. You have to soak the rice, you have to go to the mill, then you have to grind it, then you have to bring it, then you have to put it in a pot, and then after that you have to put sugar, cardamom powder, and then you have to add in some milk powder, then some of the the wheat flour a little bit, or you can add also what is that flour, that wheat flour, or you have to add in some wheat flour, and then you have to put santan and mix and then you have to do. But now things are very easy. They have done very easy. You just go to the sundry shop, you just buy like Achu Muruku, what katti urunda, nei urunda, or just easy. You can buy 1-2 packet and you want whatever ingredient you all want to add, you all just add and do. Now it's very simple. But those days at my time, my mother's time, all is very hard. We have to soak the rice, we have to go take it to the mill, then we have to grind it, you have to bring it back, then you have to roast the flour, then a lot of work to be done. And then you will take time, take even take 2 weeks, 3 weeks to do this type of palgaram. So now things are very easy. In just 1 week you all can do everything. You all can go to any sundry shop, buy those things and then you all can just do. Because this is what I'm doing. Actually, you all might be thinking that why I took this type of Achu Muruku flour and all this, because it is easy. It's just easy and save time. Okay, I hope you all will follow, and if anything, you all give me a feedback.